thumbnail. I'm making a thumbnail. Relax. What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install unequal length headers.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
On my BRZ, excuse the immature shop owners. The reason why you'd probably want these headers is because it unlocks the subie rumble. No, Take two. So these are unequal length. So these are unequal length headers. Basically, they unlock that subie rumble that you hear from all those WRXs and STIs. So as you guys previously saw in my last video, we installed an NVIDIA N1 exhaust at Mike's house, and that did make the car louder, but it really just made it just louder, and it didn't give it any like voice. You know, it was really plain. So basically, what these headers are gonna do is unlock that subie rumble that you guys have heard all over New York and anywhere in the States. Whenever you see a Subaru driving, you can just tell it's a Subaru because that sound is so distinct. It's almost just as distinct as like a VQ. And I don't mean that in terms of similarity in sound. I mean just like when you hear it, you just know exactly what it is. But before I start this video off, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy and my subscriber, F30_Bonstra. He actually sent me these headers for free. Huge shout out to you, bro. He actually owns a 2018 340i. He used to have a BRZ, now he has a 340i, which is a sick upgrade. So these headers are Group A S. They're basically Tomei knockoffs. I don't really care, I got them for free. So we get subie rumble from this. It's super sick, I'm super hyped. And we're gonna show you guys how to install this. It's mostly gonna be a vlog. And let me know what you guys think of the sound down below. And make sure to comment and let me know what you guys wanna see in the future for this car. And the shop wanted me to ask you guys what you think we should wrap this car. For those of you that are wondering what's going on with the E36, ask these two fucks behind the camera.
It's going in the dumpster. Okay. That's where it's going.
So for those of you that are wondering what's going on with the E36, I'll make a video tomorrow of what's going on with that. We actually got an aftermarket hood coming in for it.
We're gonna wrap it a shit color.
Yeah, shit color, bro. We're gonna wrap it like something sick, a sick color. All right, so I bought the gaskets from the engine to the header off Grimspeed. These are the ones I got. I'll leave a link to these in the description down below. And then this is just that generic exhaust flange gasket, a 2.5 inch. I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. It's not the exact one I'd like to get like we got for the NVIDIA N1, but hopefully it'll fit, it'll work. It's a little weird, but just try to get one before you try to do this install.
Hey, you want crack? Put it like this.
Like what? Why?
So you don't hit your spoiler, dumbass. It goes like this.
Oh, like that.
Oh, like that.
Oh. Let me drive it up.
Can't.
Yes, I can. I've done it 1,000 times.
Not like this. What? Huh? Yo, this car's front wheel drive or back wheel?
Rear.
Rear wheel drive?
Ain't no front wheel out here. Yo, stop burning all my rice. Yeah, burn that clutch. Burn it. This car's not even low. Damn, you suck, man. Let me do it. Let me do it. I'll show you how it's done. Yeah, okay. That's what they all say. Yeah, this guy can't drive a stick. He can drive. Good. All right, so after you've done that, you're good to go. I don't even think we have enough room. Can I fucking talk? Bruh, I can't work like this. There's no room. Yo, this is so like, oh, this is weird. All right, I'm pretty sure we have to remove this metal engine bottom cover thingy majig. Guys, if you have jack stands and a floor jack, I would definitely recommend doing it that way. I already put the car up on the ramp, so I just want to get it over with, but if I could do it again, I would have just used our floor jack here, but if I can't do it now, I'll just back the car up and put it up on the floor jacks. But before you start trying to take your headers out, just make sure you pull out the O2 sensor plugs. It's just easier to pull it out from up here, and then once you pull the header down from underneath. You can just remove the O2 sensors afterwards. So let's just get that out of the way. All right, so if you look right here, the O2 sensor plugs are right there, and you can see the bottom, or the top of the header rather, right there, and you can see the O2 sensors right there. So what we're gonna do is unplug it from here, and then when we yank the header down, the wires will just fall through, and then we can do it from outside of the, from under the car, because you don't wanna do it down there. All right, so we loosened all the bolts, and now we're gonna take out the header. It's better to do this with 2 people because it is pretty heavy. All right, so a little thing we're running into right now, we're not sure how to do this, but the header has the studs, like these bolt into it, like it comes with the header. These new headers don't, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and make it something work, but if we can't figure it out right now, I'm just gonna leave the car here, and I'll have one of the shop owners take me home. But for the most part, so far it's so good. We just need to, and we just test fitted it, and it fits good. So now what we're gonna do is take off the O2 sensors with a 22mm wrench, and then screw them on to the new header, and then hopefully we can make this work right now. But if not, tomorrow's another day. All right, so we got the O2 sensors installed properly. Now it's time to install them, and we also put the gaskets for the header right here, as you can see. So
makes it easier.
now it's just a matter of lining up the holes and pushing it through. I'm gonna set you guys down right here.
Give me one nut.
Oh, I'll give you a nut, all right. Here's my nut. Put it in.
Put one over there.
Put all the nut in. Make it all. So while he's tightening the bottom, I'm just gonna quickly pin back the O2 sensor plugs, and then plug them in, and then we can finally do a start and hear how this sounds. I'm so hyped. All right, so we got everything bolted on. Everything looks good. One last look at the header before I never see it again. We're gonna put the metal belly pan back on like tomorrow. The shop's closed right now. We're running really low on time, and they really have to go. So we got the O2 sensors plugged in. Everything is bolted in. Now we can just do the first start and just see how it sounds.
And check for a leak.
And yeah, and check for a leak. Oh man, I'm so hyped to hear this. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh man, ready? Holy shit. Holy shit. It is so loud. It is so much louder. It is so much louder. Yeah. Are we good? Dude, are we okay?
Yeah, it's gonna stop because it's a new metal.
Yeah. But it's not leaking?
No, give me the light for a second.
Yo, it's rumbling so hard. It's like boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, it's so much louder. Oh, it sounds so much deeper now. It sounds so much better now. What?
Big difference. Sounds sick.
Yo, the boxer rumble is sick.
You good?
Good, right?
Yeah.
Go. Yo, I hope the mic does it justice, but this thing is freaking loud. We should really turn on open the gate, right? revved a cold ass car mad times. All right, so we're gonna lower it from the ramps, but tomorrow I'm gonna put the belly pan back on, and we're gonna probably put better bolts in that area where I told you guys where the studs don't exist, or the bolts don't exist on the new header. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. But that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For all of you that joined in, huge shout out to the guys at Best Service Auto Body for helping me out with this install. I'm super excited because now my car has a 6 Subie rumble, and obviously I'm gonna give you guys drive-bys like literally tomorrow. So then it's like, all right, at least there was some drive-by shots too. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. All right, chill. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.